back, everybody. It's another day, and today I'm actually going to be making my what was this, the second or third attempt? I think this is the third attempt, although I don't know if you guys got to see the second attempt of making something with my 3D pen. Today I've decided I'm actually just going to try to make a six-sided die. Don't know how this is going to work out. It's been a little while since I've used this thing. We're going to put it on the PLA setting for today, so I'm going to go ahead and get it set up. It's already warmed up, just got to add the filament. We'll see what color dye we want it, and yeah, see how that turns out. Alright, so I got my mat out again. I got this thing loaded up, and I decided I'm going to use blue. It's kind of funny. Apparently there was still some of the gold in there from last time, and it kind of went into blue, so it's kind of a green color at the moment, but let's go ahead and give this a go. So let's see, I think I'm gonna try making a, well, let's make a small dot. Well, yeah, let's make a big die. Let's make a big die, 2 centimeters by 2 centimeters. Whoops. That's not good. Really should get like a razor blade or something. I'll let that stay in there for now. PLA stuff's pretty strong. Well, I'm just gonna leave that like that, and we'll see what comes of it. Okay, so now that's in there. Man, this is gonna be a rough die, but hey, that's part of the learning process with this. We'll pry this up, and maybe we'll make this side next. So we'll stand this up like this, and okay, let's pick an area that doesn't have diagonals going across it. Okay, for each side, we're going to go ahead and put the dots in before we fill it in. Just kind of embed the dots. So for the other dots, I'm going to use this gold color because I think it's kind of cool. Okay, so on this side, we're going to put the 2. This is going to be a little tricky. Okay, got all the sides made. Now, so we've got a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, and a 6. And now I have to make a die out of it. And I didn't do the full borders for these, so I should be able to kind of plastic weld these together. And there's a lot of filaments on the back of these, so I've done some filing. I might have to do some more. But yeah, let's see if I can even make a die out of this. Well, here it is, all finished. My 6-sided die. 5 is opposite 2, 1 is opposite 6, and 3 is opposite 4. So at least it's an accurate die, even though it's not exactly even. It's actually very rough. I've already spent a little time clipping it with my clippers right here, getting all the filaments off. But if I really wanted it to be better, I'd probably take an X-Acto knife to it. It would probably break apart at some point. Have to weld it back together. But yeah, it does roll. I don't know if it rolls evenly or if it's a loaded die. I'd probably have to, you know, roll it a couple hundred times. But at this point, it appears to be relatively random. So yeah. My second successful project with this. I call it a successful project, and yeah, so that's how you make a die with 3D pen. It's not really a job it's suited to, but there you go. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more videos like this or not like this. I make all sorts. But yeah, really appreciate it. Still trying to get this channel off the ground, and we're going to do some more interesting stuff with the 3D pen soon and with some other items. So have a wonderful time of it until I see you next time, or until you see me next time. And yeah, take care. Bye for now.